Becoming a Forex broker is an exciting journey that combines deep financial knowledge with the entrepreneurial thrill of running your own business. It's not just about understanding currency pairs and trading strategies, it's about building a reliable, trusted platform where others can trade confidently. So, where do you start if you're thinking about diving into this dynamic industry? By the way, if you are looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, see the links in the description box below. First, education is key. The Forex market is vast and complex, so you'll need to immerse yourself in it. This means studying everything from the basics of how currency pairs work to more advanced concepts like technical analysis and risk management. If you're serious about it, getting a degree in finance or economics, or even obtaining certifications in Forex trading, can really set you apart. It's about credibility and ensuring you're fully prepared to navigate this fast-paced world. Next, understanding the regulations is crucial. Depending on where you plan to operate, the rules can be quite different. In the US, for example, you'll need to register with the National Futures Association, NFA, and comply with the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, regulations. This step isn't just a formality. Regulatory compliance is what keeps the market fair and safe for everyone. It's a significant investment in time and resources, but it's absolutely necessary to operate legally and gain your clients' trust. Choosing your business model is another big decision. Do you want to be a market maker, where you take the opposite side of your clients' trades, or an ECN STP broker, where you pass trades directly to liquidity providers? Each model has its own pros and cons, and your choice will shape how your brokerage operates. Some aspiring brokers choose to start with a white label solution from an established broker, which can be a quicker route to market. However, if you're up for the challenge, building your brokerage from the ground up allows for more control and customization. Setting up your brokerage is where things really start to take shape. You'll need a robust trading platform, think MetaTrader 4 or 5, paired with solid IT infrastructure. Partnering with liquidity providers is also crucial to ensure your clients get the best spreads and fast execution times. And of course, your online presence matters. A professional website with a secure client portal for trading and account management is non-negotiable. This is your front-facing image, and it needs to inspire confidence. Now, let's talk about marketing. Attracting clients in a crowded market requires a comprehensive strategy. Whether it's through online ads, educational content, or even a strong social media presence, your goal is to build a brand that stands out. Customer support is another key area. Having a team ready to assist with technical issues, account queries, or any other concerns will go a long way in retaining clients and building your reputation. Once your brokerage is up and running, ongoing operations and compliance will be a big part of your day-to-day. Implementing risk management strategies is essential to protect your business from potential losses. You'll also need to keep up with regulatory requirements, which often include regular audits and reporting. Building strong relationships with your clients should be at the forefront of your strategy, ensuring they feel valued and supported. As your business grows, you might consider expanding your offerings or entering new markets. This could mean adding more financial products to your platform or tapping into a different demographic. Continuous improvement is key. Stay updated on market trends and look for ways to enhance your services and technology. It's important to keep in mind that starting a Forex brokerage isn't just a financial endeavor. It's a significant commitment that requires careful planning, substantial capital, and a passion for the financial markets. From understanding regulations to setting up a sophisticated trading platform, each step is crucial to building a successful brokerage. But with determination, the right strategy, and a focus on providing excellent service, you can carve out a niche in the competitive world of Forex trading. If you are looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, see the links in the description box below.